Ever heard of honey that's older than your great-great-great-grandparents? And still good to eat? Nature is full of mind-blowing wonders. Like octopuses, did you know they have 3 hearts? One to pump blood to the body and 2 for their gills. And here's another crazy fact. The tallest trees in the world are redwoods, reaching up to 379 feet. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty. Ever wondered how bees communicate? They do a little waggle dance to show other bees where to find the best flowers. From the tallest trees to the tiniest insects, our world is packed with amazing surprises. So stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of nature. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool facts.